hub is a 2008 Chevy Malibu. It's also the same as the Pontiac G6. And first thing I do is remove the wheel and jack and support the vehicle. Okay, here I have the wheel removed and it's jacked and supported. Now I got a tool here, a strong tool to hold the rotor steel while I use the breaker bar in this socket here. I think it's a 36. 36 millimeter socket. I'm gonna break the axle nut off. Okay, next I'm going to remove the emergency brake, the ABS brake sensor. Now to remove the brake caliper. Two bolts, one here. One there. I use a 15 millimeter for these bolts here. Alright, I got the caliper off and supported with the bungee cord. Remove the rotor. Next I'm going to take off these two nuts here to get these bolts out for the strut, the spindle assembly. Take an 18 millimeter socket to get those off. Okay, when you put this together, don't forget to put this bracket back on. It holds the ABS sensor light on there. That out the way. I'm going to use a punch and a sledgehammer. I'm going to hit these two bolts out. Hit these two bolts out with a punch and sledgehammer. After getting the spindle to strut bolts out, I need to hit this with the punch here. Okay, it moves. So just push that in and take off the spindle from here, and I can get to the bolts. There's 3 bolts here that hold this onto the spindle. Okay, these bolts here, take a 13 millimeter. It's 3 of them. 2. One on the other side. That one down there. 3. And those are that's how you turn those with the breaker bar. I use a breaker bar. Makes it easier for them to come out. Okay, I got the old wheel hub out. When you turn it, there's some friction in there. It's not smooth like it's supposed to be. So I got the hole here cleaned out. I'm gonna reinstall the new one. Okay, this is the new wheel bearing. I'm installing it. Don't forget to put on this backing plate. You put it on here. ABS wire goes towards the top here. So I'm tightening the bolts. A few turns. 1, 2. And I'll put this bolt down here and turn it. Kind of evenly to bring the bearing into position evenly, so that the ABS system works correctly. Here, the hub bearing's mounted. I'm gonna put the axle through and connect the spindle to the strut. Okay, I got to make sure I put the bracket on here because I forget to do that. I'm gonna tighten down these 2 strut spindle nuts, and then connect the ABS sensor light. The ABS sensor. Okay, what's left is to put the rotor on and the brake caliper. Alright, I got the caliper and rotor on. The last things to do is the axle nut. You have to torque it to like 200 something foot-pounds of torque. Or I think it's 198 or something like that. And then you have to put the wheel on. But so I couldn't show you much of me actually doing the work because it required 2 hands, but I'm going to finish up by putting on the axle nut and tighten on the wheel.
That might have that in it already. You don't think you need no air in that tack on.